Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. How's your day going, guys? Mine is going good. We made good money in the morning session, and now the afternoon session, you know. Market again very sideways. Remember, this is how Nifty has gone for the whole day. It is very, very sideways. So we have been into an extremely sideways market since morning. If I look at the first 10-minute candle of the market, see the range of this market. So we see the market has remained in this range. This is the range of the market, 9317 to 9338. So just a 21 points range in which the market has been moving, and we all know this is a very, very sideways market that we are looking into, and that's how the whole results have been. Now, to get a little idea, let's go to the USD INR chart. We see USD INR is telling us that market might come for some correction now. So this chart is telling us right here. You can see some correction is expected in the market. Looking at the USD INR chart. So, and the last 1 hour. So let's see if any profit booking comes into the market here. Bank Nifty also depicting almost the same kind of a pattern, and we still have a very sideways move that has happened. It has tried to go up, it has failed. It has tried to go down, it has failed here. The stocks that we have been trading since morning, let's have a look at them. Then I'll come to the S-Chand IPO. This is the trade in which I am now. And you see, this is a very typical IPO trade that we had. IPO opened about 3% up. Then the first bout of selling came into it. Then it retraced up. And then after that, it is sideways for the whole day. Not much buying has come into it. We are short on this IPO and expecting some more profit booking to come by. And we made good money in Ambuja Cement. So this is our position. If we see here, already booked a profit of 10,728 rupees. That was in the morning in Can Bank. We could catch a good move. Then here in little money in SBI, and now I'm into the S-Chand IPO, where I've shorted about 1,250 stocks. So this is the stock that we will look at this point here. Okay. Now let's analyze this chart here. What does this chart tell you, guys? So let's test your technical analysis here. What does the chart say to you? You can see Harshil, Vinayak, Jeevan right here. Okay, so this was a sell zone in which it came. See here, if I look at this chart a little more, we'll be focusing on this trade, guys. This is the trade we are focusing on now. If I see here, this was the initial level where it had a lot of resistance. So this has been the resistance zone. This has been the resistance zone on the upper side. It tried to break it, but it could not break this zone here. Okay, it could not break its zone down. Then on the downside, this is the level on which it tried and did not. So this was the low it made, 658, and somewhere around this level, just bottom of this body, has been again a resistance zone. So it has got two resistance zones, one on the upside, other on the downside. The moment it came on this level, selling commenced, and the moment it came on this level, buying commenced on this. And for a substantial move to happen, either up or down, it has to either break this level on the upward side or this level on the downward side. And we see almost since 12 o'clock, this is very, very sideways now. This is moving very, very sideways. I've already booked some profit in this. And now I am waiting for some move to happen into this particular stock here. Another stock that we have been tracking is SBI. Let's have a look at SBI, an expensive stock at this point. We see in SBI some selling is commencing, but it was the first 1.5 hour of the market where major selling in SBI came, and after that it has remained sideways for almost the whole day. And now last 1 hour of the market in the big trade and about 1 hour and 23 minutes of the more market, so here we can see that it is still, I'll be using regular candles here, guys. I think at this juncture of the market, I would be using the regular candlesticks. Very simple. Let's try to understand the market just by looking at the candles and nothing else. Let's see what the candles can tell us. Now, if I see here, let's see what are the trends that SBI has been establishing. This is the trend line. This is where a swing low happened. This is where another swing low happened in SBI. And if I see the highs, I take from here and take it here. So this is a continuation pattern in which SBI is stuck since morning. And only when it goes either above this level or below this level, a trend is likely to commence. A trend is likely to commence on this one here. So we will keep an eye on this and see in last 1 hour, has anything significant coming in this one. And in S-Chan also, I keep the same logic here. If I see S-Chan, where is the move coming here? You see, this was the level. Right? Somewhere around this level, this I will see. And on the upper side, if I see the level that I'm finding on the upper side where it faced a resistance on the upward side is here, this level. So only if it goes above this, then the chances of more buying can come in this. And if it starts moving on the downward side and break this, then further profit booking in the IPO can come by the end of the day. And here, this is not big trade, guys. This is the margin trade that I'm doing, and you are also doing it. So make sure that you square off this trade by the end of the day. Do not, I repeat, do not take it till tomorrow. Otherwise, you will have a haircut. Okay? So this is S-Chan. This is the IPO that I'm tracking, and I'm waiting for it to go below this. If I look at the volumes in this IPO, you see, in the start, they were big volumes, but now the volumes have actually reduced. A lot of interest in the start, but now the volumes are going down in this. On the downside is the volume. So we'll wait for this. Go on up or down. Almost an hour of the market left here. Okay. Let's Ambuja Cement more or less remained where we had it in the morning. And then if I look at CanBank, this is a stock in which we made good money in the morning. And this one is still moving a little on the downward side here. Great, guys. So We'll come back to this, but let us go and look at the commodities in the meantime while this move is happening. We made money in commodities yesterday, guys, in natural gas and gold. Okay, let's go into the commodities market. I would be especially interested in just let me change my password. Okay, I've done that. Now you know my passwords. They are dot, 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 and dot. So if I forget my passwords, please let me know. It is dots that I have. A lot of dots as passwords here. Okay. Let's check out the commodities, guys, to start with, while we expect some move to happen into our stocks. Commodities look positive today. And here also, let's see regular candles today. Today, I want to see the candles only. Let's trade without strategies. We everyday trade with strategies. Let's trade today without strategies. Try to understand the move only with the candles here. So if I look at the daily chart of alumini, we see alumini is, this was a nice head and shoulder in alumini. After that, it went down and jumping up a little after it break this level down, just trying to capture the level back. And on a 50% retracement level almost. Same with copper. After a fall for a few days, it is trying to regain back the level. So I would suggest you initiate your trades into commodities maybe after 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening. Let the move settle. Crude has also gone down a lot and we have a bounce coming in crude. So in crude, the simple mantra is trade the trend. Just trade the trend in the crude oil. Gold, we made good money yesterday in gold. Gold went up yesterday, so I could make good money in gold. And gold is still here at this level, forming a double bottom coming into a buy zone. So long trade is what I would prefer in gold. If I look at the candlestick chart of gold, we see uptrend is getting established. But as I said, wait for 2-3 hours before initiating a trade in commodities. Let the trend settle. Let the moving on the upside. All the metals are into a little short covering mode, a little long mode. Mentha oil again trying to go up and fill this gap. Natural gas went down yesterday. We could get this move, make good money out of it. Now trying to go up, but I think I'll still keep my bearishness on the natural gas. And when you get a trend signal in this, so, and it is forming a bullish harami, but it is on a sideways trend, so it doesn't have much significance. Nickel also same. All the metals are behaving almost the same way today. A retracement of the downtrend is happening. Some move has already happened in the morning. Silver is forming a continuation pattern. Even after this fall, it is still sideways. So no trade. You have to know when to trade. You should know when not to trade. All metals, you can follow trend following methods if you want to trade long, but I would wait a little, for the trades to develop in them. Coming back to our market here. This is S-chant, and it is more or less coming at this level. So slowly we are seeing it is testing our patience here at this point. And let me see how much money am I making in this. Never allow a profit to turn it. I'm making 5,200 rupees in this. So I go here and I book some profit. Modify, I take off 600 out of it. So I'm out of 600 S-chant guys now. Almost half my quantity I have taken off. And if I look at the net position, I have 650 left. I have to put a stop loss immediately on this. Where will I put my stop loss? Not that much now. I think now that I'm not expecting a big up move from here. So maybe this can be a good stop loss, a little above this 692. So from 696, square off, my stop loss now is 692. 692. Place and confirm. Always double check your stop losses. Modify, yeah. Let's see what kind of money I've made so far in this. And I see I've already booked 13,000 rupees since morning now. And I'm still in my chant. Let's log the IPO. And most people buy IPO, we mainly short the IPO here. So let's go in this. And let's Control C. Let me 135, and I'll just bet S. So this is, I've just logged it. I'll go later on and log it properly here. And we just make sure. And since morning, we booked a sizable amount of profit. So we can see most of the stuff is green here. Okay. So this is the trade that is going on, and my risk in this now, from 676, my average selling price in S-chant is 680.8. So I have about 5,000 rupees of risk in this now. About 5,000 rupees is a risk in this. Am I still in my futures trades? Yes, I'm there. I'm still very much there in these trades, but I wanted to show you IPO trade today because I always say it's a good thing to short the IPO. So we have shorted this S-chant IPO at this moment here. Okay, so and we see it is testing your patience, and what we are looking for are 2-3 candles like this. 2-3 candles like this we are looking, and if market also goes down, you will get a support with this one. Okay, guys, you can ask me some questions, queries, or some of your stocks that you want me to see. In the meantime, I'll wait for this move to happen. So any stock you want me to see for you, please ask me. I've done most of my trading for the day, and I will prefer to just finish my existing trades. We have also taken a stock for our portfolio today. I hope all of you have bought it. We have Ashok Leyland. Let me note your trades. Reliance, Godrej, ACC. Reliance. So now, no matter what happen, I cannot lose money because my risk is 5,000 rupees and I've already booked 12,000 rupees in this. So even in a worst case scenario, in my stock trades, I will take about 7,000 rupees home. In my futures trade, I've booked about 2,200 rupees so far, and other trades are in progress. ACC, LNT, Godrej, LT. Like yesterday, we are still in a very sideways market, but yesterday, I could make about 40,000 rupees. Today, I am still making about 12,000 rupees. LT, Godrej. Please note you are in a expensive market, not a cheap market. Hindalco. Okay. Then somebody says S-Chand is a good short still now. Yes, still, but have a proper stop loss at least here, 688. Marico. Do not forget to score it off today. Very, very important. Union Bank. Trading is all about managing your risk, understanding your psychology, not biting more than you can chew. Airtel had results today, I think. Have results come of Airtel? News and events. Let's look at the earnings watch. Still, result is awaited for this. So we'll wait. Fine. Let's start with this, guys. Bharti Airtel would be very sideways because result is expected. Still does not have a result. So if I look at this has been a very sideways stocks. And this sector is bleeding thanks to Jio. A lot of freebies given and the sector is bleeding now. And with more discounts expected, it going further down. So I can expect more re-evaluation of this sector to happen. And that's where I think this will go down further. Okay, so SBI is moving down. This is again a very expensive stock and nice shorting opportunities in this. So let's look at LNT. LNT has gone up today. LNT is an up move. We know LNT is not fundamentally the greatest of the companies, but when a lot of money is flowing in India, it has a tendency to flow into large caps, known companies. Somebody said, sir, have a look at Indigo. It is landing. Okay. Indigo is landing, guys. Let's see. Yes. So we have Indigo has broken the trend line, just moving down. So this is not a bad trade to take. Actually, we already identify Indigo as a short candidate, and we see some selling coming in the Indigo in the end here. So 1127, maybe 100 Indigo is not a bad idea. Short, we still have about 45 minutes. Earnings have come. I think results have come. No, not yet. Has a result of Indigo come just now? I think so. Because this kind of candle normally comes after the results. So, but still, I'm shorting 100 Indigo, guys. Looking at the pattern of Indigo, it is just giving a short. So 100 Indigos I'm shorting. And stop loss I'll keep up at this moment at 1148. Reports net position. Okay, one more short we have done, square of 1148, 100, 1148 is I have done. So another one that I have to log here. I'll ask Nikhil to log it for me so that we can focus on the trading part here. 136 and this is Indigo. Indigo here. The profit we have booked so far in the last 1 month and 10 days with our trend following systems is 2,16,000 rupees, guys. This is what we have been able to book, which is, what did I do? I don't know. I did something. No idea. I have no idea what I did just now. Let me go here and yes. Yeah, I'll come back to that here. So this is our S-Chan. This is my stop loss. Let me open my trade log sheet, guys. Just a minute. What happened on this? Okay, I opened a chart by mistake. That's what happened. Anyway, so Indigo is another one that, let's see the percentage profit, this divided by this. 43%, guys, in 1 month and 10 days. Intraday trading, this is what I've been making now. And you see slowly, Indigo is also moving down and market is also coming a little on the downward side. In the end, we see some profit booking that is happening into the market. Profit booking has started happening into the market. And here I can very safely take my stop loss from here till here now. 1141 roughly. I've reduced my risk in this. Modify 1141, guys. This is a trade that we are into now. And this is normally this candle comes on at the time of the result. So we'll just see my S-Chand is not moving much here. So and we are already at 220 now. So I will like to maybe start booking some more profits in this. Modify, I book 350 more on this. Never allow a profit to turn into a loss. Net position, I have 300 S-Chand left now and I make it at about 691. Place and confirm. So I'm booked now about 14,000 rupees. Here in this one. And this Indigo, guys, I don't think this is having that much pressure. It will consolidate here. And I put my stop loss at 1127. Very tight. Modify 1127. And I'm okay. So I put it very tight, 1127. If the move doesn't happen, I don't want to lose money in this. So either it goes down and give me some money or I lose 150 rupees on this one now. So I'm out of my Indigo. It didn't give me that move. And I think it might just retrace back on the upward side here. Right. S-Chand. Okay. Looking at this candle, guys, report orders. I go here, modify, and I'm booking my full profit in S-Chand. I make my stop loss at 680. 680 is where I put my stop loss. So now I cannot lose money in this, guys. My net rate in this is 680.86, and I put my stop loss at 680. So even in a worst case scenario, we will have a profit in this one here. So I'll finish my day with about 14,000 rupees in this one. Let's have a look at Nifty and Bank Nifty at this time. How are they doing? If I look at Bank Nifty more or less will finish like that. It is very boring. It is moving on the downward side. But yes, any views on commodities? I've already seen commodities for some time. We spent some time on commodities. Then we came here. Nifty is also moving down. So let's work on your stocks you have given me. Indigo, we saw Godrej Properties is up by about 10%. So there is both news and earnings in this. We see Godrej has gone from 17 to 19 now. This is moving on the upward side here. Mikhail says, sir, it was a great making money in a sideways market both yesterday and today. Yeah, but that's what I have to see, that in any market there are opportunities if you do not get stuck only with the index. If you can look at opportunities, there are opportunities everywhere. Let's look at Hindalco, another stock. Another expensive stock, Hindalco, in which money has been flowing, and you see how challenging it is to trade this. Stay away from this kind of stocks. You will just lose money there. They just they'll drag you up and down. Wait for clear trends to be established. Many people say, sell sell Godrej Properties, it is 10% up. No, if it is going 10% up, it has got a reason, right? It has got a reason why it is going 10% up. So respect that. Respect the market. Always respect the market. This market is more intelligent than any of us. If it is going up, it has got a reason. If it is going down, it has got a reason. If it is not going anywhere, it has still got a reason. And you try to find your trade in the market. Marico is selling off, and trend is your friend till it bends at the end. If I look at Marico here, I'm working on simple candles today, not on complicated strategies that we do every day. Right here, so Marico looks like a short trade. It has broken the trend line and it can go short. If I look at the levels of Marico, see here, it has broken this and it can easily go about 10 rupees down all the way till here. And a healthy correction would be about 50% till about, this can be a nice swing trade, Marico. If I look at the future of Marico, Marico future is already a little more down than the stock. It's already a little more down. If I look at, see, it is moving down on this side. Most ITC companies, FMCG companies, not ITC, they are under pressure, especially with Patanjali coming with great results. So, sell script 2,600. This I'm taking till tomorrow, guys. This is a swing trade I'm taking till tomorrow. Marico. Taking this till tomorrow. I'm taking SBI till tomorrow. So I'm. Let me put where will my stop loss be in this? Let's look at the stop loss of this. I think I'll put my stop loss at this moment on this swing high. This can be a proper stop loss at this moment at about 307.2. A swing high where the price got rejected in the morning, a little above that 307.5 is where I will put my stop loss in this. Let me do that. I go here and in Marico square off, I put my 307.5. 307.5. These are mostly swing trades I have here. See here, I've already booked about 1,300 rupees of profit. Bank Nifty, no, this is intraday. I'll be finishing it today. The Bank Nifty trade will be finishing today, guys. SBI I'm carrying till tomorrow. It is a swing trade. Marico I'll carry till tomorrow. It is a swing trade. But by any chance, by evening, if I make enough money into it, I don't mind finishing it today. So that you always keep in mind, that your swing trade can finish intraday, but your intraday trade cannot finish swing. So keep that in mind here. Yeah. So we see now some correction coming into the market. And we had this perfect exit in S-Chan, guys. That's how you have to read the market. Those who did not get away from S-Chan, you can see the stop loss candle. So what is a good decision to get out or not? Is everybody out of S-Chan? We have seen this so many times when we have been able to see this is the time when a candle will come and take all your stop losses away. Right? So now, and it went up, it's moved up here till 684. It came right into the resistance zone and did not move up on that side. So now is the time I can write a little more of S-Chan, but not so much. I say about 500. Again, short, not even 500, by 250. 250, that's all. So that I can work on my risk, low risk. Second time when you're going, reduce your risk. Don't increase your risk, reduce your risk. So I've again shorted 250 S-Chan, but my stop loss, I'll keep above this at about 695. Square of 695. And I'll square it off at about 325. At 325, I will square it off. And we have already booked good profits in S-Chan of 6,000 rupees now. So my overall profit is 15,000 here, 1,300 there, about 16,000 rupees is my profit in this trade now. And today I'm teaching you how to trade by using simple candles. No oscillator, no indicator, no trend line, no complex strategy. I'm talking extremely simple candles. How you can understand the market just by using candles. And now looking at this, I don't mind selling 500 more. Sorry, 250 more. Here. Okay, guys, so I'm short again on S-Chan 500 stocks now. Stop loss at 691. So let me increase my position size on this. Modify. Okay, let's say 691 I'll keep now. 500 at 691. I've increased my position without increasing my risk now. Right, so this was the candle that came to take away all the stop losses. If you learn this, you will be doing great in this market. You have to keep your eyes and ear open to understand this market. Requires a lot of patience. We have been patiently doing this trade since morning, right? We see here it is, and many of you made good money in the morning. I think one guy made about 35,000. That was the maximum money that was there in the morning session. So I hope some of you have. How much money have you made in Eschan, guys? Can somebody tell me what are your profits in Eschan? Can you hear me, guys? Is my voice coming okay? Okay, 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. So, so people have been making some money in this. I made about 6,000. Okay, so this is Eschan now. We are waiting for. Now I'll not do anything. Either my stop loss I've kept it just above the swing high. This candle that came, above that I have kept my stop loss, and I'll wait for the market to go somewhere. I think a regular retracement that I will see in this. Okay, let's see here. Correct. It is already broken below the 50%. And if it breaks below this level down, the 61, you might expect that it might retrace back to your 676 here. That is the chance that we will now carry on. Let's see what is happening in our futures. So in futures, I'm making about 1,400 rupees in Marico now. SBI 3,900 loss this I'm carrying till this is a swing trade that I'll be carrying till tomorrow. This one will finish today. This one is intraday. This one will finish. Okay, let's take your other stocks. So we are into Eschan now. SBI, we are looking at. SBI is very sideways for the moment. Okay, Ashok Leyland, another very difficult chart. Now we can see. Now Ashok Leyland has got a value of about 40-45. Around 40-45 is the correct valuation of Ashok Leyland, and it has been continuously correcting from 110 rupees level. We have been shorting Ashok Leyland regularly, and I think it is catching a downtrend. This is another stock which is a good short for many months. You can go and look for shorting opportunities in this one here. Reliance, we made good money in Reliance, and see, this was the gap in Reliance from where it shot up. Somewhere here. And this is where it is facing, resistance on the downward side. This is acting as a support. So this is the support Reliance is getting. We have good money. We have made good money shorting this, but we will wait for a few days. It will retrace this level a little. At least 23% retracement till 1353. And if a little strong retracement happens, it can be till 1375. And right now you can see a candlestick pattern which is bullish. So you might look for a long opportunity in Reliance for a small, but if it breaks this level down, well, I won't be very surprised if one day you find Reliance on this level, 1086. When we shorted it here, everybody thought we were crazy, but we made good money. And now if it breaks below this level, this can be a level that can be tested about 1086, but not at this moment. Hemant says the Century Textile is shooting up. Has the result come? The results were expected. Century Textile has moved up. Yeah, it has shot up. Have a result come of Century Textile? You can check. Because we see 2-3 shoot ups. We saw in S-Chan, we saw in Century Textile also. And these are all, it is big shoot up that has happened. So don't short this one, guys. Century Textile, when it goes up, it can go up for a long time. So do not go in that. S-Chan, I will focus on now. It is almost 3 o'clock. Won't have any daily chart. Right? Now this is holding this level here. So it is holding the level. I say order, modify. A bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. Right? Book some more profit in this. Now I have 250 left, square off at 691. So in the worst case scenario, I'll lose 2,500 rupees. Already booked 6,424 rupees in S-Chan, booking a total profit of 15,000 rupees in this. Century Textile, guys, stay away from it for the moment. That would be my trade. If somebody will ask me what is your best trade in Century Textile, then I'll say I'll stay away from it. That would be my preferred trade. Risk management is the key. This market is not about being right or wrong. This market is all about managing your risk. This is one thing I always say. How you manage your risk is critical into this market here. Okay, so let me take any other stock you want me to see for you guys. Fine, let's look at the sectors. Today in a sideways market, what sectors are bullish, what sectors are bearish? Nifty overall is very sideways, we have seen. I'll pick up a 10-minute chart. Then auto has been a relatively weak sector today, even though in the end it also becomes sideways, but we can see a downtrend getting established, high and a lower high. Bank is forming a flag pattern, and you might find some more shorting opportunities in banks tomorrow. So that is the primary reason I'm taking my SBI trade as swing. Commodities are bullish. We saw there in the commodities that there was bullishness in commodities. It is getting reflected here also. Sideways. So you see, we are in a very sideways market, and in a sideways market, when you can make 16,000. Yesterday in a sideways market, we made 40,000 rupees. Today we could make 16,000 rupees. It will give you so much confidence to handle the trending markets, won't it, guys? Okay. Now, if I look at energy. Energy is again, it rallied up and now going down, but there is an uptrend in energy. Financial services, there is selling coming in financial services now. I think tomorrow we would like to focus on the bank stocks, guys. Banking stocks is what I would like to focus tomorrow. Profit loss is part of the game. You have to take the losses also. You have to book your profits also. As long as your profits are bigger and your losses are smaller, you will do well into this market. So financial services going down. FMCG is sideways. Growth sector is sideways. Infra has been bullish. Money flowing into this sector today. You see these two big candles. Some smart money flowed into this sector. IT, let's look at IT a little more. IT is over sold. It retraced a golden Fibonacci almost. And now it is establishing a trend on the upside. So look for undervalued IT companies. They will give you good swing trades. Let's check out a biggie, SCL Tech. You see this is moving a little more stronger than the sector. If I check TCS and Infi, TCS is also moving up, not as strong as SCL Tech. If I look at Infi and Wipro, Infi also moved up, but some profit booking is coming, and Wipro is the one which has moved the strongest. It's a strong move that has come into this. Hexaware, if I see, let's look at a few IT companies. Hexaware has really jumped up. You see Hexaware. Big up move in Hexaware. Already broken the trend line. Trend is your friend till it bends at the end, and you might see further up move into this stock. Might move of 50 rupees further up from here. This is a strong sector. Media is correcting. There is profit booking coming in media. Let's immediately check Z. This is a good opportunity coming in Z, guys. Z has been correcting now from 536 going down, and there is still looks to be a downside in this. Metals are forming a flag, guys. This is the pattern in metals, they drop down, then they consolidate, then they drop down, and they are again consolidating. And right on top, what a beautiful head and shoulder was made here. And since then, it has been continuously moving down. Mid caps, there's money flowing in mid caps, guys. India's story is unfolding. Nifty MNC is again moving up. Okay. Somebody said, sir, have a look at S-Chan. Now it is moving down. Okay, let's check out. Yes, it is moving down nicely now. See, it retraced back this full candle that I talked about. It has retraced back the full candle. Where is my stop loss in this? At I think making a little money in this, and my stop loss I think is at 680. Modify. Oh no, I'll put my stop loss now at 681. 681. What is my risk now in this trade, guys? Do I have any risk in this trade at all now? No. Zero risk. I've already booked profits. I again shorted it about 680, 485. I've already booked profit in half, and I've uh, put my trail at 681. So now no matter what happens, I cannot lose money in this. And if you can understand this candle, that is great. I always say, ये एक ऐसी कैंडल को समझ डाला तो ट्रेडिंग झिंगर लाला. Right? This is a game. Please understand. Trading is a game, and you will have to learn the rules of this game. You cannot feel bad once your stop loss is hit. You have to know when to move up, when to move down, when to work on your strategies. Somebody asked, how to know such candle will come? No, you can't know, but you can recognize it when it comes. And before these candles comes, market does give you pointers. If you can find those pointers. Now I see it is moving down. My risk is very less in this. Sell script. Maybe I can take more positions at reduced risk now in this. I still have time. It is moving down. So 600, where do I do? 682. Now I become a little more smart here. And I say modify 500 at 682. 682, just above this candle. I have put my stop loss, not at 92 here. So my worst case scenario is my net rate here in this. Let's look at our net rate. My net rate here is 678.25. So 78 till 82, which is about 4 rupees. So my worst case scenario is I will lose 2,000 rupees of my profits. So I've booked 5,600 rupees of profit. My worst case scenario is I will lose 2,000 rupees out of this. Okay. Somebody asked, what scanning method do you use to select stock for trading before market open? Same, guys, that we do every day. Our filtering here in Trade Tiger, such a great filter we have in Trade Tiger. Right now, there is a profit booking coming here now. Now you can understand this stop loss candle so well. Correct? Now I have to do nothing. I just have to wait for this to go down or hit my stop loss. In both the cases, I will make money in this. That's for sure. So I cannot lose money in this now. Till what time can I carry this trade? I can carry this trade till 3:30. Till 3:30, I can carry this trade. And I can also trail in this, once a candle finishes, I can trail another candle in this one here. So I'm just working on this trade, waiting for some profit booking to come in the end. And mind you, we are in a sideways market. We are not in a trending market. Right? Pure price action. Right now, today I wanted to show you pure price action. A student asked me in the morning in the class, he said, can we work only on candles, sir, without the systems that you use every day? Is it possible to work only on candles? I said, today in the afternoon session, I will demonstrate, only the price action, just how you can trade using the candles. This is more of a learning session I've taken today. And if in a learning session, you can also earn money, that is even better. So today it was a combination of learning and earning. Every day we do more of earning, but today it was a combination of learning and earning. So nicely going down, Eschan, guys. Okay. Harshit is asking, sir, how can we learn more about price action? It comes with practice, Harshit. You will have to practice. And once you practice properly, that's when, Now I can start locking my profits in this. So orders, go here, modify 250. Never hesitate to book profits. Never hesitate to book losses. And now where will I move my stop loss? A little above this candle, 680. Square of, delete, 680. So I have just about 20 minutes left, less than that. So I have already booked now 7,000 rupees in S-Chand. And we have taken a position opposite to whatever the position is of the. Now I switch to a smaller time frame, let's say a 3-minute chart. Okay. And I trail my stop loss here on the top of this candle now, somewhere here, 677. Report orders. I have now square of 677. Now, no matter what happens, again I've come in the same situation. I cannot lose my money. Correct? No matter what happens, I cannot lose money in this. My maximum risk is from 73 to 77, which is 1,000 rupees. And I'm making in this 1,800 rupees. So even if my stop loss, happens on this one, always check. See here, I have 2 stop losses. So I take off one. Always double check. I should have only one stop loss. I have only one stop loss. So we see S-Chan going nicely down. And we are making money not by going long, but by going short. Now I take my stop loss from here to here now, 675 now. Orders, modify, 675, confirm. We see now, I have locked further, and the candle that is coming now is a doji, which is an indecisive candle. And normally whenever this candle comes, the market can travel either side. It can move up, it can move down, but we have locked most of our profits now. So it is at 74. My stop loss is, I'm just 250 rupees at risk in this. So no matter what happened, I will take home 1,500 rupees in this now. So I'll make sure I take home about 17,500 rupees on this trading now. And now you patiently wait. And now I am out of my S-Chan at 675.7, guys. See here? Exactly. The market told you before that I am going to get out. And we could handle this also very well. And move on the upward side here. Right? So I booked a profit, guys, of 17,664 rupees here. Okay, guys, I hope you learned about price action today. You learned how to read candles and how money can be made very simply by using risk management. Right. Fine. Need to stop here now. All of you have made money today, I can see. So congratulations to all of you who have made money. And I'll see you again in the trading room. All the best. Bye-bye and see you.